welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new. We have a very exciting day ahead of us today. It is all for Jackson. He has no idea where we're going, and it's making him quite cranky actually, because all he wants to do is stay with Nanny right now. But I know he's going to have a really good day. I know he's going to absolutely love it once we get there. So stay tuned to see where we're going and see how the day pans out. Watch till the very end, because it's going to be full of fun and probably chaos, because when isn't our life full of chaos? To have a little bite to eat, and Jackson here is just more concerned about his little sticky hand toy that he won in one of the games, and he's saying he just wants to go home because he is so fixated on just that toy. And this is one of the things that we have not really troubles with, but like, yes, Jackson, it's like this is one of the things that we kind of struggle with him, is that once he fixates on something, he just thinks of that one thing. But I just know that if we were to leave now just so he could play with that toy, he is going to regret not going on any rides, and he's going to get upset because he wants to come back and go on the rides. So it's just one of the things that we're trying to deal with and that we're tackling, and it's what are you doing? Just one of those things that we're really kind of struggling with him at the moment, among many other things. But it's just part of the whole journey of trying to get him diagnosed, and it's just one of those things that we can at least note down as something that could be like a symptom So he wants to play a Sonic game right now because we're sat down. Me and Ryan just had a bite to eat. He didn't really want anything at the moment. He's got a slushy cup with a dinosaur on it. It's really cute. But no, the waffle pops that we had, they were really good. How was yours, Ryan?
Yeah, awesome. I got a Biscoff flavour.
Hello.
Nice caramel. Yeah, it's nice. Bit like, I guess sickly towards the end, but still nice. Yeah. You wouldn't want two of them. Just put it that way.
Nah, and I had the cookies and cream one. So good. What's that? Yeah, he's decided he wants to go on the spooky ride and he's going to protect us with his gun. Yeah. To Mum's to go see Lucy. We had overall a very good day. Jackson was brave enough to go on the spooky train, but I think it spooked him just a little bit too much. We did go on a pirate ship after that and he was just still a little bit spooked out, so I think he found it a little bit scarier than normal. He is normally like our...
Guess what? The pirate ship is even scarier.
Yeah?
Oh my god, that's playing on glass.
Alright, hold on to Daddy's hand. Yeah, so I think the spooky train kind of spooked him just a little bit too much. And then the pirate ship was maybe just a bit too scary from him from there because he was already like full of adrenaline. And so, yeah, after that he didn't really want to go on much else. There was a few other things that I wanted to go on, but I don't like going on rides by myself. It's just another perk of having anxiety, I guess. But I'm also like, I love going on rides and stuff, so. But that's okay. Maybe next year. And now we are heading to Mum's because, well, we were just getting some lunch. And while we were waiting for lunch, Dad actually messaged me asking me if Lucy had a swollen arm. at all, and I don't recall her having a swollen arm this morning, so heading back to Mum's just to see what's going on. Hopefully she's okay. I'm wondering if maybe she's just been bitten by a mosquito. I do have a feeling she has an allergy to mosquito bites, so that's the only thing that I can think of. She is generally pretty tough, and she doesn't always cry when she gets hurt, so, but I'm sure if she had fallen and like really hurt her arm, she would have screamed out. So anyway, let's go see what's happening with Lucy. Apparently Lucy is fine. It looks like maybe she just got a bit of a mosquito bite. They said that her arm got quite red and swollen and there was a bit of a hard lump there, which is usually how she reacts to mosquito bites. But Mum did put fresh aloe vera gel on her arm straight away and it seems to have cleared up. She seems to be doing fine. But I will keep an eye on it because I'm pretty sure that is what caused her to have a seizure about a week ago. She just got very high temperatures. It seemed as though she had an infection somewhere. They couldn't find any evidence to an infection, so I'm pretty sure it was mosquito bite related. Sorry for Jackson in the background, but I will be doing a video about the seizure and everything that happened there, so if that's not up already, it will be coming, so stay tuned for it, or I will leave it in the iCard if it's there.
Right, help me carry some shit around here. I'll go the other way with the hose. Move your feet. You're done in 5 or 10 minutes if that. You could probably come and give me a hand with the stroller fan if I need it.
It is much later now and we are home. Lucy's in bed. She didn't end up really having a bath. We had to give her like a sponge bath. Sometimes when she gets very sore in the nappy area, it's a bit painful for her to sit in the bath, and she just was not having it. She must have been super tired as well because she's like, she just wanted to get dressed and go on the booby. So we sat down and she was asleep within like 5-10 minutes. But now I'm just doing mine and Ryan's dinner. Hopefully I get it all done soon because I am really hungry. We're literally just doing like a veggie pasta bake. That's it. Nothing special. Might actually do some garlic bread with it. And while I'm waiting, I'm just cleaning up Lucy's room because, as per usual, we have another inspection coming up. Look, I understand that it's the law, but honestly, it is one of the most stressful things for me to deal with. Not because my house is like absolutely filthy or anything, it's just I do struggle to keep up with it because I do have ADHD, and I know someone's going to try and say, sorry, it's not an excuse. Well, you know what? Good for you if you can keep a tidy house with ADHD. I can't, and that's just me. That's how we live our life. Obviously, it's not absolutely filthy all the time, but it's just I cannot handle inspections anymore. I'm just done. I need a professional cleaner, and I can't afford one. And I'm just... sorry, I'm starting to rant a little bit because I'm this close to quitting work and I can't right now. So, anyway, I'm going to keep going with dinner. We're going to eat once it's done and probably just do nothing for the rest of the night because I have work tomorrow and I just don't have time for anything else. So...